beloved Catinatics, it's me again, Cathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for tonight's video, it's our date night with my babe, of course, it's right there. And we are gonna go to Green Valley Ranch Hotel, Spa, and Casino. Yun. And merong isang oyster bar doon na nakikita namin lagi. Pero, what was that? Dati, whenever we go there, it's already late. And yung restaurant is sarado na. They close at 9. So we always end up going to other restaurants there. And right now, it's 6:55. And like I said, they close at 9. And we were able to make a reservation for 2% for 7:15. So we're gonna be able to eat there. And I'm going to show you what they have. So stay tuned. Guys, we are here at the parking lot ng Green Valley Ranch. Sabi ko kanina, Green Valley Ranch Resort, Spa, and Casino. Oh, basta yun. The name of this place is too long and confusing for me, so pardon me. But we're here now, and let's go to our date. You want a bar or table? And so we are already seated. And it's actually our first time here. This restaurant particularly. Huh? Yeah, sabi ni Beth, it looked peaceful. Yung selection nila, not that much, but it's better that way para hindi naman nakakalito. Yeah, I prefer menu na hindi masyadong marami yung selection kasi overwhelming. Di ba, Beth? So, just one page of food and then the other side are the beverages, so it's better for us. And ambience wise, it's very nice here. Very bright. I think we just keep missing this place kasi nga whenever we go here, it's already past 9 and they close at 9. So we never got the chance to dine here. But today, sinadya namin talaga na pumunta dito early, kaya nakapag-reserve ako ng table for us. Although we ended up in the bar, it's actually better than going in the tables. And also, dito pala sa state of Nevada, they already lifted a mask mandate, so you are not really required to wear a mask. It's your personal choice to wear one if you want. And kung ayaw mo namang mag-mask, it's okay naman, and that's your own personal choice din. Pinapapak na niya yung free bread, pero I don't eat anything after or before the main course kasi ang dali kong mabusog. So I'll just wait for our orders to come. amoy dagat. Fresh. Diba? Mga unta, mga tayon, kain po. Let's eat here at Thai. Caesar salad. I'm pretty impressed with the size. Talagang ano, it's huge. Tulad itong kinain ko kanina. Kung gaano kalalim to, ganun din kalaki yung oyster na nandito kanina kinain ko. Which took me by surprise. Hindi ko akalain ganun siya kalaki. Tsaka sobrang malasa. So this whole time, we've been missing out on another amazing restaurant where there's great oysters.
Filipino for you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the pasta.
Yes.
Both and fresh.
Yes, thank you. Ang aming pinaka-paborito. Pino. Can't say that it's my new favorite, but I would say if I would rank it, This will be the second movie play. I still want the first one. The restaurant in Sunset. How about you? You like it?
That Oyster Eater was just a hole. It's really no room.
Done. Let's go pasyal. They actually changed this one. Yung last na punta natin dito, iba yung decoration dito. It's cute. Let's go.
Nick. Compra. Yung cover.
Ganda ng pagka, ano nila, glasswork. I think it's been a year since we've been here. Sinabi ko na sa'yo sa last natin na vlog. Ganitong gusto ko.
Gusto mo na sa
Para
lamay.
sa kwarto.
Laki-laki ang kwarto mo yan.
Oo nga eh. So, this is the part of the hotel and casino. Mga conference rooms, ballrooms, and maybe part of the hotels. I don't know. We haven't checked in here.
Check-in tayo next time.
Ba't pa ako nag-guess eh, meron namang ano, meron naman nakalagay. So, garage, pool, and spa, extension, energy, and restroom. Yan. Naghirap pa ako.
Bukas kaya.
I don't know. But 4th of July, we go here and go here and enjoy the view. I don't know, are they open? Look at that. They're ready for summer. Rapunzel. Let down your hair.
Pink princess ka dyan. Laki naman ang castle mo.
Golden hair. Nice. So, pag 4th of July, this is the place to be. Kasi nandyan yung fireworks, tapos nandun yung mga tao. May pool area sila na napakaganda with sands. Parang sandy beach yung team nila dito.
Sandy pool.
That's a pretty cool idea. Siguro around this time or springtime, it will be perfect. Kasi pag summer na, medyo salimuot dyan sa loob.
Tama, parang
Parang sauna.
sauna. Sandy pool.
Sandy pool. Yan, buhangin yan nandyan. And then, papunta doon. So, cool. Actually, the place where we are staying right now, sabi ni Beb, open na, di ba? Open na yung pool area. And meron ng swimming. Although, I don't know if it's heated kasi medyo medyo malamig pa ngayon. So, anong trip nila. But ako, I'm not ready for that yet.
Hindi pa tayo pwede mag-check-in dito kasi hindi nyo magagamit to.
Yeah,
Sayang lang.
It's not worth checking in right now, lalo na kung gusto mo mag-swimming. It's too cold. But
Tingnan natin yung ganda ng building.
It's nice that they opened this for public right now na maglakad-lakad ka. Although meron namang areas na hindi mo pwedeng pasukan.
We're guest. Yeah.
Yes. Nasaan na yung pajama ko? Tulog na tayo dito. Nice.
Kaka-COVID ka dyan pag naumagahan. Malamig.
Pillow nila.
Bakit?
Mainit. Welcome to my humble abode. Charot.
Yeah. Dream. Sanayin mo. I-feel mo.
Welcome to my humble home. It's not that much.
Namnamin mo.
Namnamin ko na. Tara guys, at medyo na. Nalamisan. Yan. Tapos na tayo dito sa labas. At I can't feel my hands anymore. Tapos ng arte-arte, pasok na tayo. Thank you, Rob. Yan. Pasok na ako sa kwarto. Charing. And guys, so dyan po nagtatapos ang ating date night. And to sum it up, we were able to dine in first time at Tide's Oyster Bar. And ang review namin ni Beb, anong review mo? Suabe. Yeah,
Suabe ang oyster.
Yes, and I do agree. We are oyster people. So kapag sinabi ko or sinabi ni Beb na masarap, believe us, it's really good. And that oyster bar, yung oysters nila is really tasty and huge, and it's worth the price. Tapos yung chupino naman nila, it's kind of bland. It really depends on you if you want it a little salty or a little sweet. So the one that they have there is parang bland pero masarap pa rin naman. Doon kasi sa paborito ko na lugar na yung oyster bar sa Sunset Station, medyo thick and maalat. But depende din sa nagluto. Minsan masarap, minsan naman a little too salty. But yun siguro ang preference ko. And kay Beb naman, what are you doing? kay Beb naman, I think he prefers this one kasi watery and hindi masyadong maalat. But overall, it was a good experience again. We were able to go to the place finally after a couple of years na napapapunta kami dito, hindi namin naabutan lagi. And naipasyal ko na naman kayo doon sa labas, doon sa hardin at saka sa pool area nila. Hopefully one of these days makapag-check-in tayo dito para ma-enjoy natin yung pool nila. But it's still too cold right now. So yun guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to comment down below, and please don't forget to hit the bell button para naman notify kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. And please follow me on my Facebook page. It's called Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose, and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!